this new Google quantum computer, a problem that would take thousands of years for every computer on Earth to solve.
I've read that.
It can solve in a second.
Yeah.
Well, this past week, we saw a quantum leap that could rewrite computer history. Google's Willow chip is touted as not just another technology breakthrough, but an evolution in the way we solve some of the world's toughest challenges.
Google's quantum computing team has made a shocking discovery that could reshape our understanding of reality. For years, scientists have debated the multiverse, the idea that our universe is just one of many parallel worlds. Now, thanks to Google's advanced quantum chip, new evidence suggests this theory might be real. If true, everything we thought we knew about reality, time, and existence could be wrong. But this isn't just another physics experiment. Scientists on the project are alarmed. Some fear they may have accidentally opened a doorway to something far beyond our control, while others worry they've glimpsed a truth humanity was never meant to see. So what exactly did Google's quantum computer find? And why are some scientists so terrified? Discover the secrets of MuskMind. Hit like and subscribe now. Google's quantum breakthrough. Quantum computing has revolutionized modern physics. Unlike traditional computers that use binary bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, which exist in multiple states simultaneously. This phenomenon, called superposition, allows them to solve problems at speeds no classical computer could match. In 2019, Google's Sycamore quantum computer achieved quantum supremacy, outperforming the world's most powerful supercomputers. But now, something even stranger has happened. Recent experiments with Google's latest quantum chip have produced results that defy logic, suggesting interactions with something beyond our reality. The experiment that changed everything. At Google's Quantum AI lab, researchers were testing entangled particles, a mysterious quantum effect where two particles remain connected, no matter how far apart. But during one routine experiment, the system began outputting data that didn't align with known physics. It was as if the chip was exchanging information with another reality. Initially, scientists assumed it was an error, but after running the test hundreds of times, the anomaly persisted. It appeared that Google's quantum processor was somehow tapping into a parallel dimension. Did Google just prove the multiverse? The multiverse theory suggests that every possible outcome of a quantum event exists in its own separate reality. If Google's quantum chip has produced real-world evidence of this, it could mean infinite versions of ourselves exist across parallel timelines. Even more chilling, is someone, or something, watching us from another universe? The most alarming aspect of the experiment, one of the most disturbing findings, was how information seemed to leak between dimensions. Quantum computers rely on quantum tunneling, a process where particles pass through barriers they shouldn't. But in this case, the tunneling effect seemed to extend beyond our universe. This suggests our reality may not be isolated but constantly interacting with others. And if we can observe them, can they observe us? Could advanced civilizations have already figured out how to travel between worlds? Scientists are terrified. Not everyone is excited about this discovery. Some top physicists are warning against further experiments. Dr. Michael Heller from MIT cautioned, "We're tampering with the very fabric of reality. We don't know what we're dealing with, and may be opening doors that should stay closed." Dr. Emily Carter added, "If this proves the existence of parallel worlds, we have no idea what we might be inviting into our own." Rumors even suggest some Google researchers have quit after witnessing something unexplainable. Which raises the biggest question of all. Did Google's quantum computer make contact with another intelligence? Did Google's quantum computer contact another intelligence? Some experts believe quantum systems don't just interact with alternate versions of our universe. They may enable communication between realities. If true, Google's quantum chip may have accidentally sent a signal into another dimension, or worse, received one. One researcher, speaking anonymously, claimed, "We expected random outputs, but the system produced a structured sequence, almost like a message. If an intelligence from a parallel universe has mastered the multiverse, what did we just tell them? And more importantly, what will they do next?" Why Google suddenly went silent. After the initial discovery, Google went silent. The quantum computing team refused to comment. Some researchers were reassigned, and insiders claim a classified report was sent to a government agency. warning of possible dangers. Did Google uncover something so alarming that they were ordered to shut it down? Or is the research continuing in secret? One thing is certain. If the multiverse is real, we are no longer alone. The dark side of quantum computing. While many see quantum computing as revolutionary, some experts fear its risks. Unlike classical computers, quantum systems manipulate superposition, entanglement, and even access multiple realities. This means Google's chip may not have just detected the multiverse. It may have interacted with it. And that raises a terrifying question. What if we open a door to another reality? One we can't close. The evidence for parallel universes. Physicists have long debated parallel realities, but growing evidence suggests our universe may interact with others. Strange cold spots in cosmic background radiation, left over from the Big Bang, defy explanation. One theory: these could be collision points between universes. If quantum computers are picking up signals from other realities, the multiverse may be more connected than we ever imagined. The Mandela effect, a glitch in reality? Could parallel universes explain the Mandela effect, collective false memories of historical events? Examples include the Berenstain versus Berenstein Bears controversy, memories of Nelson Mandela dying in prison, though he lived until 2013, and missing movie scenes or book passages. Some researchers suggest these anomalies result from shifts between timelines. If quantum computers influence other realities, could they also be altering our own? The leaked Google memo. What are they hiding? An alleged internal Google memo revealed unsettling discoveries. Quantum states are violating expected physical laws. We have evidence of information exchange between realities. Random quantum noise is showing structured patterns. If what should be random data contains patterns, something, or someone, may be trying to communicate. Government involvement. Are they keeping it quiet? Google isn't the only one exploring quantum computing's potential. NASA and the U.S. Department of Defense have poured billions into this research. Why? Because controlling quantum computing could mean controlling the future of intelligence, encryption, and reality itself. Leaked DARPA documents suggest military interests include quantum espionage, cracking any encryption, reality manipulation, theoretical timeline alterations, parallel world communication, contacting intelligence in other dimensions. If Google's experiment reached another universe, have governments known for years? And if they're involved now, have we already crossed a dangerous line? The vanishing scientists. After Google's breakthrough in quantum computing, several key scientists mysteriously disappeared. Some resigned without explanation. Others were reassigned to classified projects. One researcher, Dr. Andrew Mitchell, reportedly confided before vanishing. We made contact. It wasn't supposed to happen. We weren't ready for what we found. What did he mean? And why did some of the world's top minds suddenly go silent? Reality on the brink? Physicists fear that manipulating quantum systems could destabilize reality itself. If our universe is just one of many, tampering with quantum computing might weaken the barriers between them. Dr. Richard Carlson warned, if we push too far, we could tear a hole between realities, and we won't know until it's too late. Some believe unexplained glitches, time anomalies, and bizarre reality shifts suggest this has already begun. Are we living in a simulation? If quantum computers are picking up signals beyond our universe, could it mean we're detecting the framework of a simulation? The simulation hypothesis suggests our reality is artificial, an advanced construct run by unknown intelligence. If Google's quantum experiment uncovered something too dangerous, was it shut down before we could learn the truth? The unexplained quantum signal. Google's Sycamore quantum chip achieved an impossible feat, solving a problem in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. But then something strange happened. Researchers detected an anomaly, structured, organized data that didn't originate from their experiment. At first, they assumed it was a glitch. But then, they saw the pattern. Something was communicating back. The sudden government lockdown. Within 24 hours, Google's entire quantum research team was locked out of their own facility. An unnamed government agency seized all data. All experiments were shut down. And Dr. Elias Rothman, the lead researcher, vanished without a trace. Insiders claimed the project wasn't just about calculations. It was about interaction. And someone in power didn't want it to continue. A controlled reality. What if Google's experiment proved we live in an artificial universe? If the quantum signals detected a coded framework, it would mean our world has programmed laws, suggesting someone or something is watching us. Weaponizing the multiverse? Leaked documents suggest government agencies, including DARPA, are working on quantum reality manipulation, attempting to simulate entire universes, predict future events using alternate timelines, interact with intelligence from other dimensions. If Google's experiment confirmed communication with parallel worlds, has the military already weaponized it? Have we been noticed? Since Google's discovery, strange anomalies have been reported worldwide, time lapses, disappearing objects, and unexplained Mandela effects. Did their quantum experiment permanently alter our reality? And the most terrifying question, if quantum computers can reach into other realities, what if something from the other side is now aware of us? Was Google's project shut down to protect us? Or did we just open a door we can never close? Make sure to subscribe to MuskMind for more intriguing and informative content. Thanks for tuning in.